Hi guys, after making the videos about this new purchase, the IT15 mini PC of Geekom, I thought the best way to test this product on Linux anyway, right? So it's a joint venture, a Windows partition and a Linux Kiro partition or Arch Linux partition. The best way to test and feel if it's any good or better, right? That's building ISOs. So this is the probe if you want to freeze the frame and look for the details online, that's fine. Building ISOs, Ctrl-Alt-I. That's the Kiro ISO builder. We put it somewhere. Where should Kiro be built? Now it's we'll clone it to home Erik Kiro ISO. So sure, that's okay. Or you browse and make something new. So here's the fix all button. There is no Kiro ISO. This is a new installation. We can show you that as well. I've built the ISO on the August the 15th. And with that particular ISO, I've installed this. So if we do a fix all, he wants to be root. And then you just wait. And for each and every setup, he'll need to be green, right? It needs to be root. And everything is done like this. Then you can continue configure. And then here we have all kinds of possibilities to select. You just watch other videos or reset to default. So this means if you do this, whatever you've clicked, it's back to the default Kiro, which means XFC is there, or my chat.wm is there, and on it goes. Save. All these packages are on the ISO, right? The default. Save and continue. Extras if you want, no extras needed for me. Save and continue. And let's see how fast this builds on this machine. Voila, everything's set up. And we start now. Where is my timing? We'll see later on YouTube at what particular moment in time we just say do it. And then we'll see later on if we have what the timing is. Let's see if I can find, if I have shared Kiro dupes, if I have shared the information of the building process in the past. Is that online? Build times. So on my older machine and my other machine, all right, here are all the data. It takes around 7 minutes, 8 minutes 37, 9 minutes, 8 minutes 40, 7 minutes 22, around 7 to 8 minutes time, depending on the date and whatever reason, right? Internet speed. Around 7, max 9 minutes to basically build it. I will see on this machine, which should have built a little bit more. Ctrl-Alt-End. We have here 16 cores that are working. Well, we are using OBS for a bit, so that's taking away the time and the percentage CPU. So not a really good test then, but I'll include the build timing later on as well without OBS, because we are using its power. And it's cooling. I hear the fans kicking in. It's going up, as you would suspect, of course. And we're building the ISO. Now, I think, voila, I can't pause the video, so we'll have to just sit this one out. But let me first close the door. Always a message, keep out recording, right? I just don't have a red recording light on the outside of my headquarters here. But they know by now, if the door is closed, they have to be careful. So Clang is busy here. Clang, 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 clang. And it's cooling. 94 suddenly peaked there. So we're on Intel. So now if I've installed CPU, voila, Intel Lion Cove is its name. Control Shift C. Alright. But I do believe the last time, if you do this, you also get some information from Intel. That's the one. Six cores, efficient 8, low ever 16, 6, 8 and 2, make 16, 5.4 gigahertz, (32 GB RAM), only 8 using. Swap is there, but not used. He's busy building all kinds of things here. That's a new name, Cassini. It sounds like an apero. Cassini. National Semiconductor. It's also a name, it's a release name of the base Endeavour OS here, I see. And then think that's the point here. That's the case. Some kind of driver. The Sun Cassini Ethernet hardware driver. And here's some drivers, Sun. Probably that. Voila, almost done. So now it's going to create the file system here, and the ISO is coming out shortly. We had our peak here. Like I said, it's not really fair. We're using a lot of CPU for the OBS here. I have 2 screens working here. All takes away power. Voila, done. So that's the time we need to build the ISO. I'll do a second build later on without recording and see if it's any faster than 7 minutes, because that's the point. If we have a newer machine than my own headquarter machine there, then maybe, right, it's worth switching, who knows. Anyway, just a test. Kiro ISO Builder is the way to go, in the sense that it builds your personal ISO with or without things, extra things, or the things that we've included that you don't want to include. This is the way to build your own personal ISO, right? Make Arch Linux, Kiro, the way you like it, with the stuff you want, and later on run your own scripts to install more even, or remove some things, or some configurations, etc., etc. Linux is about having control over your operating system, and I hope with 4,000, probably 6,000 videos on YouTube, you have that power, you have that knowledge. All right, cheers.